In this video I'll show you how to install Vanced YouTube in your Android device. First, uninstall or disable stock YouTube app. Here I am going to disable it. Now search for Vanced in Google. Now go to vanced.app. Download Vanced Manager APK file. Now install it. Open Vanced Manager. Here you choose non-root or root according to your device. I am going to choose non-root as my device is not rooted. Now tap Install MicroG. Now MicroG will download it in your device. Now install it. Now tap Install Vanced. Choose your desired theme and language. When download process is done, install Vanced. Vanced YouTube is successfully installed. Now sign in with your Gmail. I'll skip the sign-in process here. As you can see, my Vanced YouTube is running without any issue.
Hi, my name is Aaron from Passion Fruit, and my team has been working tirelessly over the last 45 minutes to bring you our next generation product, iPhone Plus.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't done that already. Thanks a lot if you are already a subscriber.